Welcome to my jam tutorial. This is Decagon Math. In today's video, I will be solving this question, right, that you can see here. So this is actually a question on logarithm. So I'm going to apply the rules of the laws of logarithm to solve this question. So I know some people will be wondering that there is no log. They are not saying log, common abbreviation for logarithm. They are not saying it here, but I'm going to start with that. So I need to let you know that what you are seeing here is also a log. So it is called the natural log. They call it lane. So whenever you see this implies that it is a log to the base e. E is a constant. So this e is a constant. So it has a value, I think 2.71 or 2.1. I'm not sure of that. 2.71 or 2.17, something like that. So you can check up for the value of this exponential, this e. So it has a value. It's a constant. So whenever the base is e, we call it the natural log, that is e. So that is what this one means. And that means this that we have ln 216 is the same thing as log. So that means what you have here is still logarithm. So you are going to deal with this just the normal way you deal with logarithm, right? So moving on, the first thing we're going to do is that let's write this as solution. Let's write this. We have ln 216 minus ln 125 minus ln root 8 all over 2 into bracket ln 5 minus ln 3. So what we have here, this becomes ln 216 is 6 raised to the power of 3. That is 6 raised to the power of 3. And we know that this square root is the same thing as 1 over 2. The square root is the same thing as power of 1 over 2 minus ln. Now 125 is 5 raised to the power of 3. Then the square root again is 1 over 2 minus ln. 8 is 2 raised to the power 3, and the square root is calculating as 1 over 2 also. We have over, this is 2. I'm still going to leave this as ln 5 minus ln 3. So I'd like to split the dot, okay? This equals to, now I'm going to apply the law of logarithm here. So this is minus minus, so we can just write this as division, right? So this becomes ln 6. I can write this as 3 over 2, this power 3 over 2 minus, I want you to see something here. I just want to make it more clearer. 5 minus ln, open bracket, ln 5, also this power 3 over 2. Because I've factorized out this negative out, so we have ln 2, this power 3 over 2. Then we have over, that is 2, ln 5 minus ln 3. So this equals to ln 6, this power 3 over 2 minus. So I can apply the law of logarithm that says we have it to the common base, all right, because they are both in base e, as I've shown us earlier. So this can become ln, we have 5 raised to power 3 over 2 times 2, 3 over 2, right? Then we have over, and also this one that we have here can become ln 5 over 3, right? Because negative subtraction becomes division. All right, so we have ln Now this subtraction, that means this one we are going to use the whole of this over this, right? So that means we take everything here to a common log, then we have 6 raised power 3 over 2 all over, that is all over 5 raised to the power of 3 over 2 times 2 raised to the power of 3 over 2. So this one that is up has become this. That means this over this now. Can you see that is 6 there? This 6 to the power of 3 over 2 all over this. Then we have all over, this becomes 2 then 5 over 3. Right? So this equals to, now we have ln of, this can be written as 6 over 5 times 2 all to the power of 3 over 2. Because 3 over 2 is common to all the powers, so we can write everything to the power of 3 over 2. Then we have over 2 ln 5 over 3. So this is 2 here 1, right? This is 2 here 1, 2 here we have 3, right? So this equals to now this 3 over 2 can come down here. So we have 3 over 2, right? Or let's not write that yet. Let's not write that yet. Let's leave it. So let's just write ln. Now this is 3 over 5. 3 over 5. This is the power of 3 over 2. Then we have all over 2 ln 5 over 3. Now when we look at this, if this one and this one were the same, we would have cancelled them out. But there's a way we can write this so that they will be the same. So we can write this as, so remember your the negative power, that if you have a over b raised to the power of minus m, we can make this m to be positive by changing the order of this fraction and writing b over a raised to the power of n. So vice versa, if you have this, I want to make this one to be a negative, we are going to change the order of this fraction and it becomes this. We can also transform to this to this. So looking at this, if you want to make this one to be 5 over 3 just as this, then this one must have a negative. So that means you now have ln of 5 over 3 to a negative of 3 over 2 all over 2 ln 5 over 3. So this equals to, according to the law of logarithm power law, so according to the law of logarithm power law, minus 3 over 2 comes down here. Then we have ln of 5 over 3 all over 2 ln 5 over 3. So this cancels this now. They are left with minus 3 over 2. Over 2, that means divided by 2. And this becomes minus 3 over 2 times 1 over 2, which becomes minus 3 over 4. Minus 3 over 4 is the answer to the question. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like and let me know in the comment section. If you have not started following me, please click the plus button, and if you are watching me on YouTube, to subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button so that you can always be updated whenever I drop new videos. See you guys next time. Goodbye.